Pack your bags. It's time to go. Summer is as fun as you make it, so don't wait. Feel the freedom of the road with Lloyd Belt Automotive. Weekend getaways are always fun in a Ram Rebel, or how about a Jeep Wrangler? Lloyd Belt carries a variety of heavy-duty trucks for hauling all your favorite toys. If you're looking for extra legroom or cargo space, Lloyd Belt Automotive carries every kind of SUV imaginable. We even carry a few unexpected wheels too. We might just surprise you. Make a plan, or just see where the road takes you. Live free. Go anywhere with Lloyd Belt Automotive.